This is a simple and clean small tools website, and I just want to reveal how much this website is earning. So we just copy the link and simply go here, href traffic checker, and paste the link here and check the traffic and the traffic value here. Now you can see they have 147 million plus organic traffic. This is a huge amount of traffic, and the traffic value is $10 million. It means $10 million per month. So we can create a website similar, and if we get just 0.001% of the traffic, not 1%, 0.001% for traffic, we can earn more than $10,000. This is true. You just need to keep in mind your consistency can success. Okay, so there you can see these are the top pages: JPEG to PDF and PDF to Word, compressed PDF to JPEG. So they are getting 4 million, 3 million, 4.7 million, 4.7 million, 11 million plus traffic on these pages. So you can imagine how this website is earning and how this website is getting amazing traffic by just simply converting the files into other files. I will provide you complete step-by-step guide how you can create this kind of conversion tools without having any coding skills. We are going to use ChatGPT or Deepseek AI to create this kind of conversion tools, and simply you can use these tools or use this code for your WordPress website or for the blogger. So we can go ahead, and please keep watching this video carefully and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Now we are going to convert this page into real functionality for us. For example, this is a reference page and this is the functionality that we are going to convert, and get a code from Deepseek. You can use any other platform like ChatGPT or anything, but Deepseek is better than these, so that's why I'm using Deepseek. Okay, now I will just paste the link of the page here. Just copy the link and paste here and write this prompt. After pasting the link, you just need to give this simple prompt. I have given this prompt into the description. You can modify for Blogger. If you are using Blogger, you just need to change here. Instead of WordPress Gutenberg, you need to change with the Blogger. Okay, so here I will just enter and it will write code for us for this functionality and the same page. Now it has been written a complete code. This is a huge code that has been written by Deepseek, so that's why I choose the Deepseek back, because this write a complete code. And if you click on run, and we can test it by clicking on run, you can see, wow, that's amazing code. This is designed by Deepseek. Okay, so I'm going back, and here I just copy that code. And if you don't have a WordPress website, you can go here infinityfree.com, and here you can just simply register and get free hosting as well as free subdomain and SSL. I have created a complete video guide. The link is provided into the description as well as in the comment. You can watch and get your website and WordPress installed for free. Okay, let me go back into the topic. So I will just copy that code and go into my WordPress website, and here in the posts I will just click on add a new post, and here I will just click on this blog, and here search for HTML. Okay, this is the HTML, and simply paste the code copied from this Deepseek. Okay, and here I will just name the title of this page. So this page title is the JPG to PDF converter. Okay, so I will just copy that and paste here. So this is the title of this page, and simply click on publish, again publish, so this will be published. So I will just copy the link of this page and let me preview. So I will just preview into new browser, tab. Okay, now you can see this an amazing amazing tool ready with a beautiful page. And you can see there is a Dropbox link option as well, Google Drive link as well. You can just paste your Google Drive link to convert the file, as well as you can also paste the Dropbox link file to convert your JPG into PDF. As you can see, there is the functionality here, so we have added this functionality here. You can also drag and drop your files here. So I just select a file here. For example, this is a file, or this one is the JPEG file. Open that and let's see, is it converting into PDF or not. So you can see this is converted, and if you click on this, I have tested, but the PDF is not going to download. So don't worry, we can fix that. I have just go back into the Deepseek and I have said that this error is showing, okay, and PDF is not going to download. Okay, now this is going to fix the issue. So I simply enter and it will fix the issue for us. Now it has been rewritten. I just copy again the code, and this is the fix the issue, and go back, and here I just repaste the updated code. So I just saved it and refresh again, and this is the same page, and I will just upload the JPEG file here, and let's see, is it converting or not. So I'll just click on download. You can see this is successfully downloaded. So this is the PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF and the uploaded file was JPEG. So this is successfully created a functional page and the complete functionality of this. Okay, so now if you go back and here in the dashboard, you can see this is too closer, and if you want to make it wider, so I just click on appearance and themes, and here you can activate any of the theme from that. For example, I just activate this Elementor, hello Elementor. So here I just refresh this. You can see this is now looking a bit nicer. Okay, so this is how you can convert any page functionality without knowing the coding skills, and you can create your own page or own functional page for any kind of the website. Okay, now this is the JPEG to PDF converter. Now if you want to create another one, for example, here is the Word to PDF or PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML, PDF to JPEG. So you can also do that. Simply go here, and here you just need to write the prompt. Now I have written this prompt: keep the same design and functionality, make the page PDF to JPEG converter. So what it will do, it will keep the same design, same layout, but will write the code for PDF to JPEG converter. So I will just click on enter, and let's see. Now it has been written the code for another page, so I'll just copy that code and go back, and here in the dashboard I will add a new post which will be PDF to JPG converter. So I will just add a new post. So here PDF to JPG converter. Okay, here I'll just click here and search for HTML, and here I will just paste the code and click on publish. So now it has been created the code for PDF to JPEG. Okay, so I will just enter here, and here you can see PDF to JPEG converter. So select the PDF file. So I will select the same PDF file which is converted right now, and here this is uploading. So this is saying download the zip file or download images individually. So you can see it has been downloaded the file. Okay, so you can also download the zip file. Okay, so it depends upon you how you download. Okay, so this is how it works. You can easily create your own functional website or tools website that can earn a lot of money. So like that, just like that, I have created two tools. So by following my video, you can create all of these tools listed here, and you can also fix the issues as I fixed. If you face any fix issue, or if your tool is not working, you can just enter prompt here that this error is showing and this tool is not working properly. So it will rewrite the code for you, and you don't need to have any coding skill. It will write the complete code for you, and you just need to paste into the WordPress. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.